Okay, so welcome to the unboxing of some sort of computing device. Yeah, stand by for a complete breakdown, teardown of the box. Use of sharp implements. Don't try this at home. And will be a complete in-depth review of the product.
And here you can see I've opened the front of the box. And here you can see I pulled out another miscellaneous thing. Might be some sort of typing device. And pulled off some more styrofoam. Found a cord. Not sure what that's for. And there you can see the computing device in all of its glory, with the cord is still in the box. That's with the screen protector on. That's with the monitor computing device on the table. And again, here you can see it's turned on. It's quite nice. Yeah, so, I've tried out this new computing device. It does some really advanced things, like there's a calculator. And I was able to do some addition, some subtraction, a few other basic things, like there's a text editor of some sort where you can type on like there's a box with letters on it. You type on that, and it allows you to go forward and back and actually correct some of your errors. So, it's really quite nice, and I think that there are some future applications which it may be capable of. I believe you can go onto the interwebs, and there you can look up things in a thing called Google, I think it's called. And there's another one on there, I think they call them applications. There's an application on there, I believe, called the YouTubes. On the YouTubes, you can look up like tutorials on how to use the calculator on your new computing device. So overall, I'd say it's a complete win. Fairly inexpensive. It wasn't a whole lot of money. Put it on a credit card, so it's not like I really paid any cash for it, type thing. So yeah, if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below. Subscribe, hit the bell. And shout out to my brother Troy. You can go to his page and watch his unboxing of some motorcycle tires. He gives a good review on the little rubber parts that stick up. I think they're called knobs. And yeah, so thanks for watching.